That's gone on Dashcam Australia, baby!
So stay back during 1326.
Wow, it's so quiet on a Friday. People working from home.
Quiet on a Friday. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh,
why?
Jesus. Oh,
Why?
Jesus.
What? Is it- what?
So awkward. Oh, I yelled at him.
For the doubt
Totally.
that she's nervous.
Totally.
She's never met these people, and the fact that she's engaging and telling a story, it would be like, yeah, that's great. She's in a situation where she's trying to make friends, right? And like, I'm not saying that what he did was okay. I'm just wondering if there's any world in which she talks a lot and doesn't understand social media. Yeah, but it's never.
The stakes to us singing random stupid feel so much higher knowing that Space Bear is out there with the ability to actually
Think about that.
What are you doing, you f***ing idiot?
You're gonna make me feel self-conscious about it.
I mean, you telling me.
Jesus Christ.
The light. Use the second from the left lane to turn left onto Buford Highway Northeast. In 800 feet, use the right lane to take the city.
Hello, stay in your own lane!
237, Georgia 400.
Oh my God! Idiot!
Use the right lane to take the Sidney Marcus Boulevard exit, then use the right lane to turn slightly right onto Sidney Marcus Boulevard Northeast.
Whoa. Idiot. Holy. Hey Siri.
Additionally, the supervised connection made it possible for Russian aircraft to control the also increase Russia They have a lot of range. They're the best brass military technology expert and advisor to Ukraine's defense ministry, said that a drone equipped with Starlink had a range of up to 5...
Whoa! The fuck was that? Jesus Christ!
In 200 feet, turn left on North Sheridan. At the light, turn left. In 200 feet,
This is the one on normal.
at the light, turn right. Then turn left on North Sheridan Road.
This is the one on normal.
Breaking and drinking, and though it didn't get him going like fornication, we all knew he was deadly serious, and we assumed he was up to something. And maybe she did, but her helper instinct must have taken over. She probably took one look at him.
Was using a lot of power. I'm gonna watch an episode of Parks and Rec. Yeah, you got time for it. What did you think? It was super great. I put some mandibles in my bag. Okay, yeah. Wait a minute. Let's share the mandibles. There's some mandibles. No, they're not. Hey, wait, how do we split two mandibles three ways? You don't get any. Same. I hug Taco. Thanks for everything you tried.
I know things will never be the same. Till we lost will never be replaced. I'm the reason you forgot to love. So don't. Stand to live again. So stand to live again. No, don't. Stand to live again.
I bet you they've eaten through that bloody stuff that I put at the back.
You idiots!
The pants, the everything. I have tried it all. The only option for me now, and the only thing that will fix me now, is the surgery that I believe the health minister has to look at this cause and look at the seriousness of what is happening here and lift this cause. Because you feel your life will be transformed by this. Not just my own life, thousands of women.
indicators! Jesus!
Da, doar că este Dan. De același concept de bază.
Let my bucket swerve, I'm taking off from the curb. The nervousness, neglect, make me pack a tag. Devoted to serving this moet and paychecks. Like a guy satellite, nigga, I'm forever ballin'. It ain't right, parasites, triggers, and fleas crawling. Suck a duck and get busted, no emotion. My devotion is handling my business, nigga. Keep on coasting, where you going? I've been there. Came back as lonely, homie, steady flowing against the grain. Niggas still don't know me, it's about the...
With the subpoena given by the House Oversight Committee, you know, citing the current political climate, saying that this is about right versus wrong, and they've also said and claimed. Still gon' blow it, nigga, I don't give a fuck. Half of the city told fans go to us. I ain't just rolled up another 8 right. Start acting fake forever.
And where Bach's son, Carl Philip, you got him about your dad. And this younger...
Let's go in the dark.
What's happening here? University. Why?
Roy!
And don't be trying to love
Oh my God!